We need to obtain the value of n, meaning that we have a geometric series and it sums up to give us a value of 39 plus 13 times square root of 3. Now how do we know that this is a geometric series? That's because here the first term a, that's square root of 3. The common ratio r will be the second term 3 divided by the first term, so 3 divided by square root of 3, so that simply equals to square root of 3. So this is a value which is greater than 1, so that means the sum up to n terms will be given by a times r raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Our sum up to the n terms, that's also given. The sum is 39 plus 13 times square root of 3. So this will be equals to, so we'll replace the value of a with a square root of 3. This will be multiplied to square root of 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by r, which is square root of 3 minus 1. So let's let's cross multiply square root of 3 minus 1 with the expression on the left hand side. So we have 39 times square root of 3 minus 39 plus 13 square root of 3 times square root of 3, so that's positive 39 minus 13 times square root of 3. This will be equals to square root of 3 multiplied to square root of 3 raised to the power of n minus 1. The negative 39 and positive 39 cancels out. 39 square root of 3 minus 13 square root of 3, that's 26 times square root of 3. So this is equals to square root of 3 multiplied to square root of 3 whole raised to the power of n minus 1. So we'll continue here. So we will divide both sides of the equation with square root of 3. Now this gives us 26 equals to square root of 3 whole raised to the power of n minus 1. So square root of 3 raised to the power of n, that will be equals to 27. So square root of 3 raised to the power of n, that's equals to 27. We know that's 3 cubed. But if we want to make it in terms of square root, so we have square root of 3 raised to the power of 6. Now the base is exactly the same. Since the bases are equal, the exponents will be equal, and this gives us the value of n, which is equals to 6. That means when you take first 6 terms of the given geometric series, then the sums adds up to 39 plus 13 times square root of 3.